Good evening, everyone. It is October 12th, 2017. We are doing a 2017 Upper Deck Goodwin Champions one box break number 5. 2 random packs each. It's just like the other, first 4 breaks. Kind of explain it really quick. 10 total spots. We'll open up the box, number the packs 1 through 20, randomize the numbers 1 through 20. Then we'll take the 10 names who bought in, double them up, put them in a randomizer as well. Whatever number you get in it is what pack number you'll be open up for you. Find autographs like Jordan, Simmons, Woods, and more. We still have not pulled one of those big autographs yet, so I feel that in the last 4 boxes of this case, there can be one big autograph like that. So let's quickly open up a new generator to generate which box we'll be doing in this break. There were a total of 8 at one point. Let me show you the boxes. So, right here. 1, 3, 4, 5. Let's generate one really quick. 6, not available. 3, yes, 3 is available. Future breaks. Here's box 3. All right, now let's open it up really quick. Let's get these packs out. Should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, okay. Now, I'll just put this way. Number the packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's take out these packs. We'll number them in the same order as well. It's gonna make more room for the packs though, really quick. Let's spread these out this way. There you go. Now let's number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Alright, all packs are numbered. Alright, let's generate. Which pack you guys will be getting in this break? Roll the dice. 2 and a 4, 6 times. 6 times, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After 6 times, Eric at the top and Marty at the bottom. All right, 6 times now. Pack numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After 6 times, 12 at the top and 15 at the bottom. Alright, so there's all the pack numbers the way they came out. Just like that. Let's alphabetize this by customer first name so you guys can see what pack numbers you guys got. So Alfonso, you got 16 and 11. Eric with 12 and 13. Jason K with 2 and 3. Jordan with 5 and 4. Karen, you have 20, 10, Last Mojo 17 and 9. Marty with 7 and 15. Michael B with 1 and 8. And Mike Kuntz, you have 18, 19, 14, and 6. Alright, let's print this out the way it is like this. No trades. I don't think there's going to be any trades anyway, so we just close it right away. Alright. So now, let me just put the packs back in order this way, so you have more room. Alright, cool. There we go. So we'll start off with Alfonso with packs 16 and 11. Alright, so here's 11. And here's 16. So 16 and 11. Right there. So good luck, man. You got a Horse Gowdy. Bouchard, just black right there, and Bear. All right, cool. There you go, Alfonso. All right, next, Eric, who gave it a try earlier. Good luck, man. 12 and 13. 12, 13. Gorilla. There's a Kangaroo Gowdy. And pack 13. Got a Tiger Woods mini. Alright, cool. There you go, Eric. And those Gowdies are like short prints too, guys. That's why we put them in a penny sleeve. Next one, Jordan. Jason K. Sorry, 2 and 3 for Jason. 2 and 3. Horse. There's Al Franken, Gowdy. Just a blank. Gorilla. And pack 3. Oh, so may have something. And look at that, a 3D card. Nice. Mars. That looks so cool. There you go, man. There's one of the hits. There's 3 hits per box, so one is a 3D card. It could be a relic, a patch, or an autograph. Wonders of the Universe. Mars. So there's one of the hits. Still at least 2 more remaining. Alrighty. Oh, let me finish this actually too. And the wolf. Alright, so Jason K, there you go, man. Yeah, 3D cards are nice. I like those. Jordan, you're up next, buddy. Jordan with 5 and 4. Or 4, 5. There you go right there. 5 was first, so we'll go with 5 first. Oh, this one has something. Here's another hit, guys. James Madison at the top. So we got James, Gretzky. And look at this. A premium series memorabilia TV personality. And that is 24 of 25. Eddie. Hang? There you go. 24-25. I have no clue what TV personality he is, but I'm pretty sure that is a really nice one. It will probably sell very, very well. So there you go. Nice. Jordan. That was pack 5. Now let's look at pack 4. Food show. Oh, okay. Shark. And look at this. Pack 4 and pack 5 with another relic. Memorabilia. Same person. Another Eddie. Oh, successful packs right there. Hey Frank, what's going on, man? All right, Jordan. Okay, cool. Yeah, I also sent you an email too, man. So I'll look at that when I get done with this break. All right, next one. Karen Steele with pack 20, 10, 17, and 9. 20, 10, 17, 9. 20. 10. 17. And 9. All right. So let's see. 20, 10, 17, 9. All right, cool. There you go, Karen. 9 and 17 will be your last spot mojo pack. Perowitz mini. Simmons, Kangaroo, Rudy Ying, Dan Severn mini, Andrew Jackson, that. All right. So there you go, Karen. All right, a couple more, guys. Marty with 7 and 15. 15. 7. Marky Ramon, Kobayashi, George Washington, my 10. All right, Marty. Alright. Couple more, guys. Michael B with 1 and 8. This is Goodwin Champions. Frank. Just released yesterday from Upper Deck. 1 and 8. So there you go. Michael B, 1 and 8. Good luck. And then the last 4 packs should be for Mike Coons, which would be, let's make sure, 18, 19, 14, and 6. Yep. Stephen King, Trey Griffey, that. I mean, there's a checklist for it, but you get 3 hits per box. Can get Gretzky's, Tiger Woods, Michael Jordan's, a lot of other actors and athletes part of the checklist. But the big ones would be their exclusives like Ben Simmons, Gretzky, Jordan, Tiger, Andrew Jackson, Gaudy, LeBron James, and Zebra. All right, so there you go, Michael B. All right, and the last 4 packs going to Mike Kuntz, which is 18, 19, 14, 6. 18, 19, 14, and 6. Good luck, man. We can still find some nice serial numbered minis as well in a box, so you never know. Tiger. There's a Marky Ramone. Gaudy. Gretzky, Bear, Little Black Mini, and George Washington. Well, there you go, guys. That was the break. There you go, Mike Kuntz. There are your packs. There are your hits. We'll have another one of these in the store already. 10buckbreaks.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.